we'll guide you through how to customize project in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the Asana website. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, open the project that you want to customize. When the project page appears, locate the Customize button in the top right corner of the screen and click it to open the customization panel. After the panel opens, review the available customization options to see the features that can be adjusted within the project. Examine the settings carefully and identify any changes you want to make. If additional information needs to be tracked within the project, add fields as needed by selecting the appropriate field options. After adding fields, create project rules if you want to automate specific actions and workflows within the project. Configure the rules according to your requirements and ensure that the desired triggers and actions are selected. If your project requires external tools or services, add apps or integrations as needed by choosing the appropriate integration options from the customization panel. Once the integrations have been configured, proceed to modify the task fields within the project. Update the available fields so that they match the information you want to collect and manage for each task. After modifying the task fields, adjust the project views if those options are available. Select the view settings that best fit the way you want to organize and display project information. Once all desired changes have been made, review the updated project settings to confirm that the customization options have been applied correctly. Carefully check the fields, rules, integrations, and views to ensure they reflect your intended configuration. Review the project layout and make sure it meets your needs and supports the way you plan to manage your work.